teachers. I would like to thank NNTA Morong for providing me this golden opportunity to present my micro lesson plan in this micro teaching marathon 2020. I am Diksha Tumsa from Koseni Secondary School, Morong. This is my lesson plan. Good morning and welcome to you in my class. What is our topics today? Please, students, tell me.
Greeting cultures around the world, ma'am.
Thank you, thank you. Greeting culture around the world. What are these people doing in the picture? Anybody? Can you tell me?
They are greeting each other,
ma'am. Okay, thank you. They are greeting each other. There are different ways of greeting.
Shaking hand, bowing.
Yes. Yes, thank you. How do you greet your teacher when you meet them? Please, Dharma man, Dharma me is.
I say namaste.
Okay, we say namaste, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to the time of day. So that greetings are a polite way to start conversation. When we meet someone, we greet them. Nepal is multilingual country. We have different ways of greeting culture in our country. Let's see this video. This reflect different ways of greeting culture.
Hello, hi, mero hazurlai, shubha din, namaste. Hello, hi, mero hazurlai, good day, namaste. Dui hath jodi hazurlai, sevaro, namaste.
Okay, what do you see and hear in this video? Can you tell me? Anybody, please? Rita?
Yes.
We see namaste, ma'am.
Sevaru, ma'am.
Yes, namaste.
Sevaru.
Sevaru. Hi, hello.
Hi,
Okay, how many ways of greeting there? 3 ways of greeting, yes?
3 ways.
Yes.
Yes.
Hi, hello, and namaste are common greeting culture in Nepal. But Sewaru is specially used by Limbu community. There are different types of greeting culture according to our community. Greeting culture vary from culture and country to country. In this video, you can see different type of greeting culture of the world, like countries like USA, Australia, Brazil, etc. After playing this video, I expect the answer of these questions. Why is proper greeting necessary? Which country?
Proper greeting is necessary to show respect to others.
Okay. Which country has long-lasting handshaking, and how do people of Thailand greet each other? Please listen video carefully and look as well.
Using the proper greeting can make or break you. Make a good first impression in both social and business situation with this quick guide. Greet with a firm, slightly longer handshake mixed with a strong eye contact. If you're greeting a woman, kiss her on each cheek too. Repeat this routine when you depart. Make eye contact when you extend your hand. It is less common to require the handshake to be firm. However, Australians can be offended by a limp handshake. Women don't usually shake other women's hand. Shaking hands is not an appropriate greeting. Instead, place your arms together at chest level and bow toward the person. This offering is called Y. Foreigners are not expected to initiate the Y, but it is an insult not to return the gesture. If greeting elders or high-status individuals, grasp the right wrist with the right hand. Follow with this Jambo, which means how are you? Handshakes are long-lasting. For men, the handshake might also accompany a brief hug. For women, a kiss on the cheek. Greet the oldest person first, as age is highly respected. Avoid direct eye contact. Grip the other person's hand lightly, and bow slightly. Handshakes should be prefaced with eye contact. Include a verbal greeting and introduction. Ensure handshake is firm, but not crushing, to exude confidence. You might find an occasional fist bump or rocket ship. Usually, the most senior person starts the greeting. Be sure to use the soft grip. Hold on to their right arm with your left hand, if comfortable. Shake hands quickly and lightly. No matter how many times you have met a person, kiss on each cheek is common.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for listening this video. Okay, Rita, why is proper greeting necessary? Rita? NP Bhandari, which country has long-lasting handshaking?
Is it America, man?
Oh, is it correct, Rita?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, how do you people of Thailand greet each other? Can you tell me, Yasoda? No, Yasoda? Prem? Prem? Okay. You are not listening well?
madam.
Oh, especially people of Thailand greet by saying wow and palm hand together and bow towards. Okay, this is reading passage. I ask all of the students read quickly this passage and make 3 questions. WH questions. Mr. Bhandari, okay, read once more for your friends.
So shall I read, ma'am?
Read once more this passage for your friends. They are listening your voice, please.
Yes, ma'am. The way people greet each other reflects their custom. It gives insight into their history and values. In Korea and Japan, bowing is the traditional greeting. In Nepal and India, people bend or nod and say namaste or namaskar, joining palms together. In Tibet, people opt to stick out their tongue to greet others. In Saudi Arabia, men might hug and kiss each other, but not a woman on the cheek. The native Maori people in New Zealand press their noses together.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, next student. Mr. Dewan, are you there? Please raise 3 questions on this passage, based on this passage. No? Anybody? Okay, if not,
Why do people get each other, ma'am?
why do people greet each other? Please, pray. Why do people greet each other? Answer.
Do we respect each other, ma'am?
Okay, thank you. And another question? Hari, from the back bench.
Question, ma'am.
Okay, make question one, construct one question on the based on this passage.
How do people greet each other?
Oh, how do Maori people, Japanese people greet each other? Thank you. Okay, Rita, answer your friend's question.
Which country use namaste, ma'am?
Excuse me? Thank you, thank you. Which country use namaste? Which country use namaste, Dharma?
Nepal, ma'am.
Nepal and India also.
Okay, okay, you are very intelligent. Now I'm going to show you bubbles. Country's name and greeting culture. Okay, you need to match countries with their greeting culture. First of all, look, all of the students look and read as well. Okay, who can tell? America. America, which greeting culture? No one? Rita?
Maybe kissing each other. It's check.
Okay, we think check answer later. Is it correct, Mr. Bandari?
Perhaps correct.
Okay. Nepal, Dharma?
Namaste, ma'am.
Okay. France? Friend?
सिरान यो अक्षरै अलिक बुझिराखेको छैन मैले यो माथि सिरानको हुनुपर्छ
Okay, thank you, thank you. I will check our answer. Okay, Thailand?
Thailand.
Why? Yes. Mexico? Okay, we will check our answer. Okay, once more, all of the students, check your answer. America? Nepal? France?
Namaste, joining palms together.
France.
Island?
Wait.
China? Mexico? Okay, how many do you have correct answer? Mr. Bandari? Rita? Friend? How many correct answer do you have?
I have one, ma'am.
Oh, look once more. America? Palm hands and shake direct eye contact. Nepal? Namaste, joining palms together. France? Kissing on A check. Thailand, Y. Y means bowing, joining palm together and bow towards. China, gripping hands tight and bowing slightly. Mexico, long lasting handshake. Okay, thank you. Okay, look this picture and complete these sentences. Are you looking? Yes. Mr. Vandari, first question, first sentence.
Rubbing their nose, Maori people.
Yes. Maori people greet each other by rubbing their nose. Other, are you listening me? Okay, listen carefully. If you cannot, write. Okay, second sentence. Rita? No, Rita? No idea? Please help your friend, Mr. Vandari.
Listen.
Japanese or
Yeah.
Korean people.
Yes, Japanese or Korean people, they bow their heads while greeting.
Ohayo gozaimasu, they said.
Okay. Dharma, third sentence. In Saudi Arabia, they... Are you confusing? Please, one of the students, help your friend, sharing ideas.
Hug and say Salam Alaikum.
Oh, hug and kiss and say Salam Alaikum. Yes. Oh, you are very intelligent. Okay, last picture. Do you see this type of greeting? In Tibet, people stick their tongue out for greeting. Okay, listen, we need to listen once more answer. Question number, sentence, Maori people. Second one, Japan or Korea. Third one, hug and kiss. And last one, Tibet. Are you listening me? Okay, thank you. And this is for your project homework. List the greetings you have seen in your community or you are familiar with. If you cannot, ask your parents, grandparents, neighbors, and prepare this project work within 5 days. We have different type of greeting culture. In Nepal, some say Jojalapa, some say Namaste, some say Sewaro, some say Hapulla. They are the different type of greeting culture in our community. So that ask your mom or parents and do and submit me. Thank you very much for kind and active participation.